Okay, so let's get down to the basics. Today we're looking at how we can go about pinning apps and programs onto the Windows taskbar for ease of access. So what you see right at the bottom of your desktop is what is called the taskbar, and we'll look at how we can include the icons of our frequently used apps and programs onto the taskbar. So without further ado, let's go. So now let's say we're looking to pin Google Chrome onto the taskbar. What we will have to do is to put your cursor over the Google Chrome icon on your desktop. Okay, then you right click. Okay, once you right click, you scroll to pin to taskbar, click on that. Right, once you click on that, you will see the Google Chrome icon already on your taskbar. So I'll do the same for WhatsApp. I'll put my cursor over the WhatsApp icon on my desktop, right click and click on pin to taskbar. Sometimes, not always, all your programs or app will appear on your desktop. So in this case, you can search for your program that you're looking to pin in your programs folder. Once you have located it, put your cursor over that program. Again, right click and scroll to pin to taskbar and click on that to get it to be pinned to the taskbar. Another way you can search for your programs is by keying in the title of your program name into the search bar on your desktop. Once you have located your program, right click, scroll down to pin to taskbar, and your program will again be pinned to the taskbar. Okay, so now let's say I open up Google and I'm searching through a few Christmas recipes and doing up some research and some readings on my Christmas recipes, and now I want to send these recipes to a friend via WhatsApp. So in this case, to access WhatsApp, now I just have to click on the WhatsApp icon on my taskbar. So once I do that, WhatsApp will open up. I can minimize, I can maximize it all through the icon on the taskbar. So this saves the hassle of having to close my website and then click on the WhatsApp icon on the desktop and then open up my website again for reading. So it saves a lot of hassle. So the pro tip is always to pin all your frequently used apps and programs onto the taskbar for ease of access. Okay, say now let's say I want to remove the pinned program or app from the taskbar. How can I go about doing it? Say Adobe Illustrator is not something that I use on a regular basis anymore. If I want to remove it from the taskbar, all I have to do is put my cursor over the icon on the taskbar, right click and click on unpin from taskbar, and it's gone. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. If you found this useful and would like to see more such content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.